Now, repeat after me. Straggle, straggle, straggle. Meaning, to straggle means to move slowly or fall behind, often separating from a group or the main path. It can describe someone who's struggling to keep up or wandering off course. In a sentence, a few hikers began to straggle behind as the path became steeper. Here, straggle refers to falling behind the main group. Let's try another example. She watched her dog straggle along the trail, stopping to sniff every flower. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence. Synonyms. Some related terms for straggle are lag, to fall behind in movement or progress; wander, to move away from the main path or group without direction; antonyms. The opposite of straggle would be keep up, to stay with the group or maintain the same pace, to be at the front or move ahead of others. Part of speech. Straggle is a verb, referring to the act of falling behind or moving off course. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.